Today, I am going to share some amazing strategies for growing your YouTube channel. By following these strategies, improving your channel is not just possible, it's guaranteed. I will also show you proof of how these methods work. Let's begin our journey to success. The key to successfully growing a YouTube channel lies in proper SEO and optimization. When done correctly, SEO and optimization help our content reach the target audience effortlessly, increasing CTR and creating opportunities for the video to go viral. Therefore, SEO and optimization are crucial and highly effective for rapidly and organically growing a YouTube channel. In the case of this channel, it appears that the video could not rank due to its low SEO score, and the views were also comparatively low due to low impressions. However, another video, due to its high SEO score, ranked and gained a significant amount of views. This proves that proper SEO plays a crucial role in the success of a video. While there are many other reasons behind a video going viral, using SEO correctly increases the chances of success. The second crucial element for making your video go viral is the video banner or thumbnail. A strong, eye-catching thumbnail can amplify your success, as it encourages your target audience to click and engage with your content. Even with proper SEO and optimization, a lackluster thumbnail might hold back your video's potential. However, with an appealing and creative thumbnail, your video not only ranks but also grabs the attention of viewers, leading to increased views and subscribers. That's why focusing on creating an excellent thumbnail is essential for achieving more views. If you look closely, you'll notice that even though both videos were created on the same topic, the one with the catchy banner performed significantly better. On the other hand, the video with the less catchy banner received fewer views. And the third and most important thing is to improve the quality of the video. A clear and simple video can win the hearts of the audience. If your video presents the content clearly and simply, the audience will understand it easily, and your content will become more relevant and interesting. This small change can be the key to the success of your video. I have been working on social media growth for the past 4 years and have gained great experience through it. Not only YouTube, I have also successfully worked on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok growth. While working on the YouTube channels of my various clients, I have achieved excellent results by focusing on these 3 important things. Apart from this, I use proper titles and descriptions and share them on various social media according to the topic of the video, which plays a tremendous role in increasing the views of the video. I can confidently say that if you follow these strategies, you will also get excellent results. If you face any challenges with YouTube channel growth, contact me. I will do my best to help you and move forward on your path to success.